The phrase blind as a bat has been around for centuries, but it's a bit misleading. In fact, bats are not blind at all. This saying likely originated from the fact that many bats are nocturnal, flying in the dark. But what does science really say about their vision? Research shows that bats can see quite well, especially in low light. Their eyes are adapted to detect light and movement, allowing them to navigate through the night sky. So, while they may not have the best eyesight compared to some animals, they certainly aren't blind. Now, let's talk about echolocation, which is one of the most fascinating adaptations bats have. Imagine sending out a sound wave and then listening for the echo that bounces back. That's echolocation in action. Bats emit high-frequency sounds that travel through the air. When these sounds hit an object, they bounce back, allowing the bat to determine the size, shape, and distance of that object. This ability is crucial for hunting insects and avoiding obstacles in complete darkness. Interestingly, not all bats rely on echolocation in the same way. Fruit bats, also known as flying foxes, have excellent eyesight and primarily use their vision to find food. They can see colors and even recognize ripe fruits. On the other hand, microbats, which are smaller and often insectivorous, are the true echolocation specialists. Their reliance on sound makes them incredibly efficient hunters at night. There are many myths about bats and their senses. For instance, some people believe that bats are dirty creatures that spread disease. In reality, bats play a vital role in our ecosystems. They are natural pest controllers, consuming vast amounts of insects, and they also contribute to pollination and seed dispersal. Without bats, many plants and crops would struggle to thrive. When navigating at night, bats use a combination of their keen eyesight and echolocation. They can fly at high speeds, making quick turns and adjustments based on the feedback they receive from their echolocation calls. It's like a high-speed game of dodgeball, where they expertly avoid obstacles while hunting for food. Bats have also inspired human technology. For example, scientists have developed sonar systems for submarines and other vehicles based on how bats navigate using echolocation. This technology allows us to explore underwater environments and detect objects in complete darkness, much like bats do in the night sky. In conclusion, bats are not blind. They are highly adapted creatures with remarkable senses. Their ability to see in low light and use echolocation makes them incredibly efficient at navigating their environment. So, the next time you hear someone say, "blind as a bat," remember that these fascinating animals are anything but blind.